the mighty Virupaksha temple. So basically, the name falls by its god, which is Virupaksheshwara, which is an avatar of Lord Shiva. So this is the main gopura or the entrance of the temple, and this was built by the gopura was built by Sri Krishna Deva Raya, the king, and the sanctum was already present way before even the Vijayanagar king empire was established here. And the main specialty is that inside the sanctum, this gopura reflects in an downward direction. That's the main specialty over here due to some physics phenomenon. Even I don't know what's the correct term. But yeah, this is the Virupaksha temple, and next to it is the Tungabhadra river. Sabhangana. This is a platform where there used to be some activities, some cultural events, even some marriage, Kalyana Mantapa. This is the inner Gopura.
ಆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಚಲಿಸುವಂತಹ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿರಣ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಸಮಯ ವಿರುದ್ಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾನು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಪಟ್ಟ ಗೋಪುರ
ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ತುಂಗಭದ್ರಾ, ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ.
ನೀವು ಲೋಕಲ್ ಇಟ್ಸಾ ಅದೇನು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್?
ಎಷ್ಟು? The way to Tungabhadra river. Logo of Vijayanagar. Can you see over there? You know the meaning of that? ಸೂರ್ಯ ಚಂದ್ರ ಇರೋವರೆಗೂ ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ವರಹ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವಿಷ್ಣುವಿನ ಅವತಾರ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವರಹ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬಂಡೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದರು. ಮಳೆಗಾಲ ತುಂಬಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ಗಳಲ್ಲೇ ನೀರಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ವರ್ಷ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇವಾಗ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಮಂಟಪ
ದೇವ್ರ ದರ್ಶನ ಮುಗೀತು, ವಿರೂಪಾಕ್ಷೇಶ್ವರದು. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಚಾರಿಯಟ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೇಷನ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನು. ಸೊ ದರ್ ಆರ್ 2 ways. If you go by vehicle, it's 10 kilometers. You have to go surround and go. If you walk and go, it's almost 3 kilometers. So planning to walk and go along with my friends. The time is almost 12:30 now, and temperature is sunny. King's Balance. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಮಂತ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಚಂದನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂದಿ ಕೆತ್ತಿದ್ರ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ. ಕೆತ್ತಿದ್ರ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು. ಇದು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದ್ದು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೆಪ್ಪಾಗ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈಶ್ವರದ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದ್ದು ಮುಂದೆಗಡೆ ನಂದಿ ಇಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ. ಇದು ಯುದ್ಧ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಹಂಗಿಂದ ಹಂಗೆ
ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೆಂಟ್ರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಏನೇ ಕಲ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕಲ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನೇ ನೀರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದಾಗಿ ಮಳೆ ನೀರಿಗೆ
ಇದ್ದಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಫೈನಲಿ ವಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ವಿಜಯ ವಿಠಲ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ. ಸಭಾಂಗಣ ಮಂಟಪ, ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಮಂಟಪ, ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಚಾರಿಯಟ್, ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಚಾರಿಯಟ್. The famous musical. Basically, before building this the huge temple, they used to build a prototype or a small type where you can see the gopura and the murti inside with all the musical pillars, column with the foundation work. The same thing they have replicated. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇತ್ತು ನೋಡೋ ವಿಗ್ರಹ, ವಿಜಯ ವಿಠಲ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಅವತಾರದ್ದು. ವಿಠಲ ರುಕ್ಮಣಿ ಪಂಡರ್ಪುರ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಮೂರ್ತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದಾನೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿದ್ದು. ಪಂಡರ್ಪುರ್ ವಿಠಲ್ದು ವಿಗ್ರಹ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ವಿಗ್ರಹ. Musical pillars. So this is the temple which was built by Sri Krishna Deva Raya after he won the war against the Gajapatis of Orissa. So these two monkeys are sitting over here under the shadow. So how did you feel, Hemant, about this monument? Do you know the history about this? Outside they have written the inscription in Kannada, Vithala Devaru. This was a place of Vithala Rukmani. The idol has been like
This is not Virupaksha temple.
this is
Vithala temple.
this is Vijaya Vithala temple. Okay, so the idol which was inside, which they used to worship, they had took and went to
Pandaripur.
Pandarpur. Okay,
After the attack by Mughals.
not Mughals, the Adil Shahis of Bijapur, and the Ahmednagars, Sultans of Ahmednagar and the Nizams of Hyderabad. So due to some,
Who took the Vigraha to Pandaripur?
yeah, the priests and the worshippers of Vitthal, they took it and they placed it in Pandarpur. From then onwards, the first line of the Aarti is done in Kannada language there in Maharashtra. Yeah, this is the same place, and the Garbhagudi, the sanctum of the Lord, is there inside.
So they don't do rituals here.
No, it's just an monument, that's it. And sometimes due to in the occasion of some festivals, some dancers, the court dancers, used to come and perform over here. And there is a saying that the musician used to play the musics from these pillars, and the dancer used to dance on this platform. This is what I have read, but even I am not sure how much truth is it. But yeah, this is the history of Vijaya Vithala temple, the stone chariot. Finished viewing the Vijaya Vithala Devasthana. After climbing that trek and walking almost around 10 kilometers, wherein we finished Virupaksha, Matanga Parvata, and also this Vijaya Vithala Devasthana. And we're going around back to our car where we had parked, full of tiredness, and the time is almost 2 o'clock. Believe me, honestly, I'm full of tired, but this tiredness is worth when you come over here, because each and every monument has its history and tells the history, and the land itself has many number of temples made up of stones. Laying down over here under the shadow of a tree. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೀಯ ಮಂತ್? ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೀಯ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? After walking almost 10 kilometers, arrived at our car. Fully tired. ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಹೋಗಿ ಎ ಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಮಲಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. But there are not sure what the plan is, but fully tired. ಅಂಜನಾದ್ರಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟ, the birthplace of ಆಂಜನೇಯ. So after traveling a lot, we have stopped on the way to a cafe, that is Rostov Cafe. How was the experience?
It was a fantabulous. You made a fantastic job, making all the people sit together for a while.
Okay.
I'll be remember it for the longer time.
Okay.
Cheers for everything. Cheers for life. Fingers crossed.
Okay.
Long live, long live.
Okay. Okay.
We'll be doing it for another 3-4 months. Who knows? We'll keep doing the same plans.
Okay.
We'll appreciate you.
Okay. Thank you all for joining for this wonderful trip. Meet you all in the next video. Take care. Tata. Bye bye.
Bye.